we are not exactly asking what they do in different times per day, but we have questions for example how they see their own future. Do they believe that it's going to be a good one? We also asking them about their learning strategies, how much they are using time for learning, and what is the best for their own point of view. So we want to ask questions that they also feel that they are meaningful for them. And when we are, it's not just asking question, it should also be like a feedback. So when you are using the application, you can get feedback almost immediately when you have answers. So we can tell you, okay, if the question was about autonomy, for example, you can see that, okay, here's a description about what autonomy means and what you should see when you see the analyzed number there, and what does it really mean. And then there are some short guidance that you can read by yourself. So if your number is this, maybe you should concentrate a little bit for these kind of things. And then it gives you immediately some tools to practice yourself. And we believe that giving some positive feedback gives you more rely on your own feelings, and then you can go further and further. We don't exactly need the same curriculum for every place. We need only the people who will act, so they are giving their own answers and their own feelings and opinions. We have already known that when we are collecting the data, analyzing it, and then we are having a dashboard. So the dashboards are the tools for teachers and principals. They can see what is happening in the school environment. So it's quite easy to say, okay, in class level 7, so maybe like a 10 years old, we see that there are some people who works a little bit harder, or they might not feel as independent as the others, and maybe they don't feel that they belong to the group. So that will give a teacher something to work with. So we don't do the decisions for the schools. The school decide what they do. But of course we hope when we go further and we get more data that we can say, okay, these are like the practices that have been done in school environments, and these are the effects what they have done. So to improve these things, you can see that these things is happening or are happening. And the best possible help you can get from that if you are using that continuously. So year by year, and then you can compare the different seasons or semesters or different years. And that will help you to see that, okay, this is how we can change the way where we put our forces. For example, and the school, if they want to, they can decide that, okay, this year we want to put our force to find the ways how to motivate the students. And then we can see, okay, can we see it on the numbers, and hopefully we can.